Mutton Rougaille with dhal and tamarind. And of course, garlic naan.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Le Casse-Moi. I caught Riki making mutton rougaille. So I filmed it, of course I did. Let's go check it out. We snuck up on Riki. She didn't know we were coming.
That one's supposed to be here.
I know, but I know what you're doing. What is it? Is it your famous mutton rougaille? See, she's already put the lamb fat into the pan to do something.
Yeah, just to add some extra fat, because I don't like extra fattiness in my rougaille.
Okay, but look.
So now that you're here, well, the most important thing of a rougaille, come here, methi seed, curry leaf, ginger, garlic. We've got some cumin, we've got some garam masala, we've got some pepper.
Awesome.
But these are vital. Methi seed, curry leaf. Some onions we're going to caramelize, chilies, and coriander and a bit of mint.
Nice.
Mint is not traditional.
Okay.
But because it's lamb, mutton, so...
Happy days, oh, these going in here. You gotta warn me what you're doing. I know this is not supposed to be a video, but you still gotta give me some direction.
Onions are going to go in there, and we're going to turn it down a bit so they can start to caramelize. Come over here. Right, I got my mutton pieces, just loosely chopped. I'm just going to put salt on these, otherwise mutton smells a bit funky when you're cooking it.
Do you want to spice it or marinate it or anything?
No, we're just going to brown this off, and then we're going to add it into the pot with everything else, with all those gorgeous spices.
Awesome. Do I get my little pre-snack
Do you want to eat one?
Of course. No.
Oh, man. Right, these are looking gorgeous, because that's going to add great flavour now.
Caramelized fat flavor. Oh, in goes the mutton. Oh, it's so, what do you call it? Splashy. I felt it on my foot.
Very pretty.
I'm not going to get too close because I remember what happened last time. It burned my camera.
Just seal.
Okay.
In its own little fats.
Ooh.
Okay, while you're here, let's check up on these onions.
Over to the onion.
Okay, they're starting to look quite cool. They start getting that little translucentness to them. And this is the time when we can add our herbs that need to release oils. So the methi, basically everything that's not powdered.
So you're basically also doing like caramelizing the onions, caramelizing the methi.
Yes, we start caramelizing these things. The curry leaf.
Is that from our garden?
From our garden, yes.
Farm to table.
Ginger and garlic. Now the house is going to smell absolutely amazing. Okay, and you make sure this is very low heat. I'm going to turn it down a bit even. Oh, smell that.
Oh man, I can.
Oh,
wow.
It's so unique with those methi seeds and ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I might actually also put the chili in now.
Okay, so you can
start releasing its oils.
I left full seed in chili.
Yeah.
That pop of green just makes it.
Oh, gorgeous.
Oh, now we can start to smell the chili a little bit. So quick.
Releasing all the oils into the base of this gorgeous rougaille. You don't have to be too pedantic about this. I used to like turn every single piece.
But you don't have to because it's going to cook.
Still feel the urge.
Oh, we'll go away while she turns each individual piece.
A lot of people do their rougailles and things in a pressure cooker. I'm going to using a regular pot because I prefer slow cooking it. I find the meat comes out juicy and tender.
Well, I like the way you do it, so obviously it's working.
This is starting to look gorgeous. Now we're going to add in our garam masala, pepper, cumin. Okay, give that a bit of a mix.
Oh, now they're starting to look rich.
Ooh. Oh yes. Alright. That's good. You want to cook that curry powder a little bit in the oil, but not as much as those other fragrant, spicy things. Okay, back to our lamb, which is nicely sealed. We want to get this in here.
So you just plop it all in.
Yeah, we want all the juices and everything.
So you're just going to tip the whole lot in?
Basically, except this is a lot bigger diameter than that.
So you would spill it.
I speak from experience.
Oh.
You cannot tip.
And the final juices you can tip.
And we mix it all up in that gorgeous flavor. Oh, wow.
Oh, man.
You guys are so lucky you can't smell this.
Oh, man, I know. I'm hungry already.
And if you don't like mutton, you can do the same thing with chicken, fish, octopus, anything, beef, you name it.
So you just the exact same stuff, you just change the meat.
Or even vegetarian, you can pop in soya or aubergines, you name it. Anything you want.
Oh, cool.
Tomatoes.
Tinned Italian tomatoes. And in they go.
Alright, and then flush it up with some water.
I've already eaten these, so I know how good they are.
It is really good. And that's about it. It's pretty easy, and then it's going to cook for as long as you can let it. Well, with chicken or something, at least an hour, hour and a half. Beef,
Right.
lamb, 2 hours, 3 hours, even better.
Right, but slow cook. Slow cook. This is not pressure cooker.
Then our
The coriander.
coriander and a little bit of mint. Looks amazing. And we're basically just going to leave this low and slow and cover it. And you're good to go. Yeah. So, now,
Ooh.
made the dough like normal. And yes, from TikTok days, I still don't have a rolling pin.
You're still using the KGB bottle.
Because it works, you know.
Awesome.
So just flip them a couple of times, roll them. And then, we're not going to bake these, we're actually going to fry them.
Fried naan.
Yeah, because, you know, garlic butter.
Oh, is that the garlic butter there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a lot of garlic you put in there.
Good, let's put one on. Okay, so a bit of oil in there to start.
It didn't sizzle.
No, we don't want it too hot.
Okay.
This has been like 2.5 hours now, so it's looking amazing.
Oh man, it does look so good. How glossy is that?
So now we're going to keep it uncovered for a bit.
Oh man.
And we've got a bit of dhal cooking in the back as well.
So a little bit of dhal, but you're not going to thicken this one. It's going to be the thin
No,
dhal.
I'm just going to serve it like a veg.
Okay, well my hand's burning over the pan. Oh, look at it. Look at it bubbling away.
Yeah, and it's
Oh,
really
man.
quick.
Oh, and look, it's golden on that side. Oh, wow.
So now we're going to turn it over, turn it down a little bit.
And
Pop on some of that garlic butter.
you're putting it right on to melt in.
Of course.
Oh, man, look how puffy it is.
It's like proper naan bread, but it's really quick and it tastes so fresh because it doesn't dry out. But I'm going to show you what the trick is right now.
Okay. You put a lid on, so it steams. I think it might be too big for the lid.
Watch when you roll it. Yeah, you give it a little bit of a steam. Trust me,
Cool.
this is going to be delicious. Right, this is looking beautiful.
Oh, yes.
So we're going to start with a bit of plating. I'm going to put a little bit of my leftover garlic butter. So ramekin. I don't know how this is going to work, but
Is this a new experiment?
yeah, let's check. I'm going to pop some rice in that.
Are you doing like proper rice? Rice?
Yeah, we're going to try and make it look pretty. Me really badly putting rice into ramekins.
Squish it down, Rick.
Yeah,
Let's
I
see
think
if it
that's
comes out.
the trick is that you need to get it quite.
Yes. Oh. Did it come out?
Oh, it's pretty
Oh,
cool.
look at that. That actually is shaped. And it's got that nice garlic butter on it as well.
Yeah, wasn't too even, so we'll try better the next one.
Okay, cool. Here we go with take 2.
Getting fancy now.
Instead of slamming it onto the plate.
I feel the slamming was okay. No,
Was
good.
important.
Ooh.
Oh, look at all the garlic butter on that one. That one's mine, right?
And I know, guys, this is it's a very little bit of rice. I know, but we're not big rice eaters, so
There is more rice on the side if you want it.
for sure. But you'll see when this plate is done. There's a lot of other goodies going on here. Got this gorgeous dhal, which I basically just let it boil down.
So it's just boiled down dhal.
Oh, it looks lovely. And remember, it's got the stock cube still because we keep our tips.
So it'd be full flavored.
Yeah, and gives a gorgeous yellow look. Again, I'm only just going to put a little bit on every plate and everybody can come get seconds. Our Rougaille.
Oh, look at how lush that looks. That is a word. Hey, you do say lush, don't you?
That is definitely lush.
Oh, man.
pile.
It is so glossy and rich looking.
Oh, and it smells amazing.
Yeah.
Like a little yin yang with our rice or something.
Yang and yang, yeah. Oh, you should put the dhal on the one side and then we could have, I don't know, raita and something. Who knows?
Wow.
Man, that looks so good. I'm just going to get a little bit of a close-in on that. Look at that. You can see chili seeds and all sorts in there. And it's so glossy.
Cucumber.
Nice cucumber.
Fresh raita.
Oh, I love my raita now. It's just become a thing with your curries.
It's lovely. Just adds a nice little something.
Oh, bit of tamarind.
Let's pop that right in the middle.
Yeah, get that beautiful.
Excuse fingers, but it's just for you, so.
It's just for me. What a plate.
And final little touches. Bit of extra green.
And there's mint, I think, because it's lamb.
Yeah. And I didn't have much coriander. Forgot to get more coriander.
I'm sure there's some on the table.
Not really. Just make that rice look a little bit pretty. Pop a bit of black pepper.
Oh, yes.
Finish it off. That looks good.
Not enough light here. I'll start from here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's my wife Queen's voice. And look at this. Comes with bread, naan bread.
That looks great.
It really does. Oh man, this looks so good. Oh, and it smells so good. Well, let me try it. I'm going to try a little bit of the bread because I've always liked the rougaille mutton dipped into the sauce with a bit on from the naan bread.
Good. Sauce good? Yeah.
Oh wow.
I want to try a bit of this dhal.
Okay, because you made it a little bit differently.
Oh,
Is it good? Is it...
melts in your mouth.
Really? Oh man.
That's good.
Because I meant to do that.
Let's have a look.
Oh
Soft.
man.
Oh, delicious.
This is so great. This is Ricky's famous mutton rougaille with bits. And I thought I'd just show it to you. I know it's a little bit impromptu and we didn't film it properly or anything, but it is this great. But it also brings up something else to the beautiful garden restaurant. As you can see around me, there actually are 3 plates. So come on down and join us.
Your food is waiting.
Your food is waiting. Oh man, did I mess up that filming. Well, anyway, everyone. Thanks for the awesome rougaille, Rick. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you again next time.